Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction in Bluevine. In case you had a wrong transaction and you want to dispute it, this video is going to show you how. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Once you're in, go to transactions and then locate the charge in question. Tap or click to open its details and then confirm that the transaction isn't pending. You can only dispute posted charges. Then select report an issue or dispute transactions. If you don't see this option, just contact Bluevine support directly through the help or the in-app chat. Provide details such as the merchant's name, transaction date, and the reason for disputing, whether it's unauthorized, incorrect, or a duplicate. Submit the disputes and Bluevine may issue a temporary credit while they investigate. Monitor your email or messages for updates until the dispute is resolved. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.